South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.
I was not picking Vivian because I was fond of him over Karan. Not that I found Karan any less deserving, or not that Karan was a lesser friend than Vivian. I felt at that time Vivian needed the power more because the entire house was against her. And everybody said, oh, Vivian is arrogant, Vivian is बात करने का तरीका नहीं है, लेजा नहीं है. Only blunder, not blunder but mistake that I did. I nominated my dear friend Karan. When this angle thing came out and when Kashish was like asking him repeatedly कि इसका जवाब दो, and Avinash was not answering the question. I was not supporting anyone.
A lot of people thought that maybe my sir and your sister would post for you. Your sister did towards the end, but I understand that the family dynamics are such that they don't, like, you know, people are coming to judgments and all that. What do you have to say about that? But there are also moments where I've cried and he's come and he's just done that. So I hope that there's a friendship.
Of course there will be. In fact, when I left the house, he was so sorry for everything that he said to me, and I was...
Well, Bigg Boss actually is a personality show. And when you watch Bigg Boss, the personality traits that I value a lot are kindness and empathy. And I'm sitting with somebody who this season actually was an epitome of kindness and empathy inside the show. I know there has been a lot of judgment for her, but honestly, who cares? Welcoming Shilpa ma'am in conversation only with me on Galata India. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much. And I've watched most of your interviews and I think you're superb.
Thank you. How sweet. I have to tell you, I have to start with this, that you've been so kind and nice. You know, when they called you Shilpa Ma, I understand that the age difference is not so much with them, but you have the kindness and empathy of a mother, right? That's what I took away when I saw you. Your exit is a little hurtful.
It is like, for me also.
I feel like people like this should just... Do you feel like a lot of chillam chilli and all that is something that you stayed away from, that's why?
But you know, I don't think कि Bigg Boss का घर is all about chillam chilli. ऐसा जो दिखाते हैं हमें पता नहीं है. लेकिन honestly, Bigg Boss के घर में roller coaster of emotions है. I mean, हम लोग एक पल में चिल्लम चिल्ली भी करते हैं, हम लोग दूसरे पल में हंसते भी है, रोते भी है, रुलाते भी है, गाली भी देते हैं, हग भी करते हैं, खाना भी खिलाते हैं. मतलब I remember कि टास्क होते थे full of anger and whatever, and then 1 hour later भूख लगी है, me and Chuma cooking for the whole house, और करण बोल रहा है सिर्फ हम लोगों के लिए खाना बनेगा. सर हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, हम बनाएंगे तो पूरे घर के लिए बनाएंगे. So that is the Bigg Boss house.
And you know, your relationship with Vivian and Karan, they made you Rakhi ji in between Karan Arjun. Seriously. Karan or Vivian aayenge type. That has been one of the biggest highlights of the season.
For all good reasons or
good, bad, both reasons. But do you feel hurt that eventually, you know, you were always made to choose between the two?
You know, life is about choices you make. That's what makes us, right? People. Life has never been steady, will never be a steady or life is full of ups and downs, correct? Choices हमें real जिंदगी में भी करने पड़ते हैं. कभी कोई choices सही होते हैं, कभी कोई choices सही नहीं होते. मैं मानती हूँ कि जब सही choices नहीं होते, तब हम लोग उसे correct करके वो वापस नहीं दोहराते. कभी कोई चॉइस, लेकिन एटलीस्ट वो चॉइस अपने खुद के हैं. मैंने 102 दिन घर में बिताए. 102 दिन के सारे चॉइसेस जो थे वो मेरे खुद के थे.
बिल्कुल.
आई टेक फुल ओनर्स ऑफ इट. मेरे कई एक्शन से किसी लोगों को तकलीफ हुई होगी, फॉर विच आई अपोलोजाइज, नॉट फॉर द एक्शन आई डिड और नॉट फॉर द एक्शन आई टुक. रिश्ते जो है दे ऑल्सो कम विथ इंसान से जो रिश्ते बनते हैं. Nobody is perfect, right? We all have a dark side and a white side. So as if I've taken you as a friend, I take everything. It's a package deal, na? How can I say नहीं मुझे सिर्फ तुम्हारी वो good side चाहिए, वो black side है, वो बाहर रख के आओ. ये तो stupidity होगी. तो similarly, I am also not perfect. I also have made mistakes through my journey, or whatever, but I am accepting the fact that they were my decisions. I was not made to take them. So if I'm taking responsibility of it and I'm owning it, then I am owning it.
You know, there was that your daughter also went in and said this, that the only thing that you made wrong and people picked up on was that 50 din, 50
Yeah.
din. In the beginning, you and Vivian shared a very, very nice
Yeah.
equation. Like for everything you were picking him. Where do you think it went wrong?
Actually, I was not picking Vivian because I was fond of him over Karan. I'm that kind of person where I felt, and it's very clearly even conveyed in the episode, when the Rajmata task happened, and that was my first task, which changed the entire, like a game changer. And I chose Vivian over Karan. Not that I found Karan any less deserving, or not that Karan was a lesser friend than Vivian. But the reason I chose Vivian was purely because I felt at that time Vivian needed the power more because the entire house was against him. It was only Vivian, Alice, Isha and Avinash. And everybody, oh, Vivian is arrogant, Vivian is बात करने का तरीका नहीं है, लहजा नहीं है, अरे उसको क्या समझता है, वो Vivian Dissena है, you know, all those things were happening. So I felt that if he gets the power to prove himself other than what people are talking, who else will listen to somebody who's not in power? So
True.
I did what I did at that time. Not that I felt that Karan was any lesser deserving than Vivian. So I did what I felt at that time was needed to do. Not because Vivian is more precious, but it got interpreted like that.
Yeah.
After that, I didn't do anything for Vivian. In fact, he saved me from nomination twice. He nominated himself instead of me in that रिश्तों का task.
Yeah.
तो I didn't do any, but लोगों को यही लगा कि अरे ये Vivian को ज़्यादा favor करती है. My only blunder, not blunder, but mistake that I did was after that task, I nominated my dear friend Karan because I felt that, you know, I always believe that if someone does something for you, or be so ever grateful that they could never do anything wrong.
Yeah.
So in that task, I went to play a damn game and I nominated my own friend.
Yeah.
So that was something that the only thing I regret doing in the house.
Who do you think is going to win?
Karan.
Who do you think is, you want Karan to win, or of course you want Karan to win, but
Of
who do you
course
think
I
is
want
going
Karan
to win?
to win and I know that he will win.
Okay. I want to ask you this, that, you know, apart from all of that, there was this entire thing spoken about Isha, Avinash, and then Avinash and Kashish, right? So I just want to know that you had a different stand before the whole episode panned out, right? When you were supporting Kashish in that in the
I
conversation.
wasn't supporting Kashish because Kashish had very briefly mentioned that this whole episode that had happened, and I had heard her side of the story. When this thing happened in the nomination, where this word came out called angle, I didn't understand only, I didn't hear only because I was so irritated with Vivian because I had an argument with Vivian just before that. So I was so in my own zone कि मेरे को ना ये लोग जब फास्ट बात करते वैसे भी समझ में नहीं आता. तो मुझे वो एंगल वर्ड ही नहीं समझ में आया. मैंने बोला कि, और ये बात मेरी और कशिश की पहले हो चुकी थी जब मुझे फ्लेवर की बात पता थी. तो मेरे हिसाब से when this angle thing came out and when Kashish was like asking him repeatedly कि इसका जवाब दो, and Avinash was not answering the question, that's when I said, Avinash, just answer the damn question and finish it now. I was not supporting anyone. मैंने कशिश की side of the story सुनी थी, लेकिन अविनाश की side of the story सुनने का मौका ही नहीं मिला क्योंकि अविनाश बात ही नहीं करना चाह रहा था. तो till you don't get an answer from the other side, the human mind will always say the person who's talking the loudest is right.
Yeah.
That's
My last question would be that, you know, a lot of people have actually supported each other from outside, like Rajat ke liye Elvish has posted. A lot of people thought that maybe Mahesh sir and your sister would post for you. Your sister did towards the end, but I understand that the family dynamics are such that they don't. But that has given a lot of, like, you know, people are coming to judgments and all that. What do you have to say about that? And how
Honest-
is it at home, like with Mahesh Babu?
Oh
and
my
with
God,
Mahesh
come on, you're
Saran?
not going to judge a relationship based on a post.
Absolutely.
It's ridiculous. And truly, honestly, ये सीखा है मैंने बिग बॉस के घर में. I don't care what people say. I know what my family means to me. I know how much I mean to them. And I know that that is all that matters.
Yeah.
Judgments can be passed galore.
Yeah.
Point of views can be given in abundance. Nothing matters. You have to know yourself. That's it.
And thank you so much. I feel like you have always been a kind, empathetic person, like I
Thank
said.
you.
And there have been moments where, honestly, I love the equation that you shared with both Karan and Vivian. Towards the end, Vivian ke saath nahi hua. But there are also moments where I've cried and he's come and he's just done that. So I hope that there's a patch up or there's
Of
a
course
friendship
there
that
will be. In
happens.
fact, when I left the house, he was so sorry for everything that he said to me. And
How
I
sweet.
was like, ass abhi bol raha hai. At least 2 दिन पहले बोलता तो और अच्छे moments बिता सकते थे.
But
it's never too late.
Yes.
We have a whole life ahead after Big Boss. And there's these 3 special relationships I will always take
Yeah.
with me everywhere I go.
I just want to tell you that thank you for doing this, and I hope to
Thank
see you
thank
very,
you,
very
thank
soon.
you.
South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.